Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carlette and I haven't been around for a minute, but I want you to all know that I'm back. I just wanted you to know today's video is going to be about I'm coming back full-fledged, strong, and powerful. What I have here on the table is things I've been doing during my hiatus. I've got wigs from all types of vendors. I've got the new headband wigs and a bunch of headbands to review for you. I've got braided wigs, I've got straight hair, curly hair, you name it, I've got it on this table. I think in this whole past month and a half, I have been wig happy. So wig bays, stay tuned, stay close, don't go far, keep coming back to my channel, tell a friend, be sure to like and share. Be sure to also review my channel if you can't remember my last channel, because I still have some restorations that I have to do. I have Barbie here, she's new, and she's courtesy of Carrie's Corner. Shout out for my son's new job. And I have my other girlfriend here, this is Dee Dee, and she had a short bob and I wanted to give her a natural little do, so she's come. They're both really close to me, so they have their mask on for social distancing. We have to keep safe, people. I also wanted to mention the unit that I have on today is actually from Amazon, and it's a fake lock unit, and it's from Style Icon. It's in a 1B30, which everybody knows 30 is like my ish and stuff, and I just hope you like it, but it's just one of many that I have to share with you, so don't fall, don't sell. Amazon is like my best friend next to the people in China and everything else when it comes to all these units that I have here. I literally probably have brand new over 25 units, so I have a lot of things to talk about, and I have quite a few restorations because I have some synthetic units that I do not want to throw away. So stay tuned. Talk to you. Bye. Let me just tell you a little bit about myself. I've been away because I've had surgery not on one foot, but both my feet, and the recovery is not as good as it should be because I go back to work and I do everything that I'm not supposed to do. So I'm a little down in the dumps, but I'm getting stronger and I'm coming back. I still got my boot on and still need my crutches, but needless to say, I am back. Live and in full force and with tons of things to show you. So be sure to stay tuned. I should have another updated video next weekend, and I hope you all come back to share. Thanks for visiting me. Talk to you soon. Stay blessed. Bye.